Learning to think critically and write clearly are two key skills to be learned at university. In your courses, you'll be asked to write a number of different types of assignments. Two of the main types are essays and reports. Here, we'll take a brief look at these two styles of writing and at some of the structural elements that go into them. An essay is a piece of writing several paragraphs long that answers a question or discusses aspects of a topic. While the content of each essay is different based on the essay question, the structure is always the same. Every essay you write should include an introduction, body, conclusion, and reference list or bibliography. Essay introductions consist of three main components. The first of these is the background information or orientation. This is where you begin to introduce the essay topic by giving general background information about it to set the context. The introduction should also contain a thesis statement. This is your own brief answer to the essay question and should only be a few sentences long. Finally, the introduction should also contain an overview of main ideas that you will discuss in the body of your essay. In this essay, the main ideas can be found in the second and third sentences of the thesis statement. The body of an essay consists of many paragraphs. The number of paragraphs you write depends on the number of main ideas you wish to cover in order to properly answer your question. First paragraph of the body of the essay is about blue in nature. The second paragraph of the body of the essay is all about blue in society. The third paragraph of the body of the essay is about blue and male power. The fourth paragraph of the body of the essay is about blue and class. The fifth paragraph of the body of the essay is about blue and negative emotions. The main thing to remember is your word limit. You can only go 10% over or under, so your planning has to be precise. As you develop as an academic writer, you will begin to use transitions to link your paragraphs. Transitions improve the cohesion of your essay and show how your argument flows logically. Sentence 1 of the first paragraph is the topic sentence on blue in nature. It uses similar terms to the last sentence of the introduction. For example, natural, there, and nature, here. This is called linkage. Note the repetition of the word competence to link the two paragraphs together. To turn your argument in another direction, use phrases such as this. You can see that this essay has been referenced using the APA method. An essay conclusion is the last paragraph of the essay. Its main function is to sum up your essay. It should briefly restate your thesis, that is, your answer to the essay question, in 1 or 2 sentences, but use different words to those you used in your introduction. Finally, while you should not introduce new ideas or material in the conclusion that would challenge your thesis, you should extend the discussion in some way or reflect on its significance. The last component of your essay will be your reference list or bibliography. This should begin on a new page and have a heading. It should be formatted correctly and is not counted in your word count usually. Always check with your lecturer about this, as practice varies according to the discipline you are studying. A report is a structured presentation of information about a topic. At the university level, A report must give evidence of analytical and critical thinking. It may describe a process, an event, or any phenomenon that is of interest or importance, presenting the information in clearly labelled sections. Each course will have a different requirement for their reports, so read the instructions in your course outline carefully. Reports in the social sciences will have the following labelled sections. 1. Introduction with a literature review. 2. Aim or research question. 3. Method. 4. Results summarised in table or graph form with an explanation. 5. Discussion of the results and conclusions based on the data. A report should focus on a specific, well-defined topic and examine it in depth. At university, you need to read the instructions you are given for writing both essays and reports. Your course outlines are your first port of call. If you have any doubts or questions, always ask questions. Essays and reports are complex tasks. Each of these assignments takes planning, research, attention to detail, and a great deal of thinking. Practice helps to make the task less daunting, but remember, even the most practiced academic writer has to work on their writing.